Hey there, people of YouTube. Welcome to the More Income channel. I'm John Moore, and in today's video, we're going to be going over my first day driving for GrubHub. If you haven't seen my last video, I left my job that I'd been a digital marketer at for 3 years, and I mentioned I wasn't completely quitting working, and I did have some delivery companies that I still worked for. And GrubHub is actually the newest company I recently signed up for. The process took a lot longer than a lot of the others, but I'm officially signed up and I got my box, my welcome kit. So we're going to go ahead and unbox that in this video, and I am scheduled here in about an hour to start my first drive. I am scheduled for about 2 hours. So I'm going to take you guys along and just show you how it's like starting up for GrubHub. So we're going to go ahead and get into this box here. I'm going to flip the camera around and show you as I unbox it what it looks like. And then I will continue videoing throughout the day as I go on my delivery and just kind of keep you guys updated on how that goes. I do apologize in advance. I know my videography skills aren't the greatest, and the audio here is probably going to be a little bit hard to hear, maybe. It's because I haven't found a good mic yet that I can use, but it's all a learning process as I'm working on this channel. So here is the box I received from GrubHub. I can't figure out which way is up because the label is placed this way. This looks clearly like the bottom of the box, but I'm going to open it with the label facing up. Hopefully I didn't show you my address or I'll blur it out there. So I'm just gonna open this GrubHub box. Their welcome kit they send you as soon as you finish the process. The process was kind of long signing up. You had to do background, you had to watch some videos, but overall I think it was a good process to kind of help you understand how it works. Getting in there. And nice. Oh. I don't think I cut that, but it's cut. There's a tear in that, but I don't think it was me. Anyhow, if you can see that, it says GrubHub food delivery in progress. Be right back. It's a sign. It's the first thing in the box that you see. Oh, this has a lot of goodies. Nice little decal for GrubHub. This is actually the most stuff I've been sent by any food delivery company. They really want you to be excited about GrubHub. Another decal, looks like. A card here, I'll read you the card. It says, GrubHub, thank you for partnering with GrubHub to help make your deliveries as seamless as possible. Put the enclosed window decals on your car so that people know you're out delivering. Please place one of the decals in the lower right corner of your interior windshield on the passenger side facing out for people passing by to see. If preferred, you can place the other decal in the lower corner of the rear car window as well. Decals are easily removable and shouldn't leave residue on your window. Your adoption of this car branding item is optional. So it is optional to put these decals on your car, but they really want you to because I guess they want you to promote their company. And here we are with a bag. So that kind of sums up what's in here. Oh, it's 2 bags. Nice. And this I did not pay anything for, okay guys? This was sent to me as being a delivery partner. And these are actually nice bags. This is for pizzas and this is for smaller items. I'm just going to say it right now. These guys seem a lot more serious than any other delivery company I've delivered for, simply because they are basically giving you really nice bags. I don't know if you can see these. They're really awesome bags. Every other delivery company I've delivered for sends you really crappy bags. They break easily. I've already had zippers come off and other things. These things are solid, and they send you 2 different bags. One for larger size items like pizzas, and this one for smaller items. And that's one thing that a lot of delivery companies don't do. They just send you 1 bag, and half the time you can't even fit a pizza in it. So you run into that issue all the time. I'm going to show you a little more up close. You see there's a GrubHub decal here, this nice sign, which was torn. But it's nice. It was torn here in the corner. I don't know how that happened, but it got torn. And this little thing saying you don't have to put it on your windshield, but they would like you to. And that is unboxing the GrubHub box. There's 2 bags, 2 decals, a little instruction thing, and a little sign to put in your window to let people know you'll be right back. And all of this is helpful for delivery because a lot of times you have to park in random spots and you want people to know you're not just, you know, being a pain and parking there. You're actually just delivering something. So that was my unboxing of the GrubHub box. I actually had it waiting around here for a while. I've had it in my house, but I wanted to do a video and kind of just show you what's inside the box and what you can expect when you sign up for GrubHub. Like I said, the process of signing up for GrubHub was a lot longer than a lot of the other processes. They had me sign the initial form, and then they send you some information and ask you some questions, and then they send you a background check and other things. And they do quite a bit, but from what I'm seeing right now, they actually put a lot more time and effort into providing their drivers with the tools they need. And obviously, I'm new to this. I'm not making any bold claims, but I'm just saying from what I see about them sending decals and sending bags, they actually put a lot more time and effort and investment into their drivers than any other company I've come across so far. Other companies, you have to buy your own bags. And like I said, the bags you buy are the worst. I had one for a company and it's already broken. Thankfully, another guy who quit driving for them gave me his bag, so I was able to use that as well. But from what I'm seeing so far, GrubHub seems to put a lot of investment into their drivers, so I'm looking forward to driving for them and seeing kind of how the process goes, how much money I'm able to make. Is it worth it? All those questions I'll try to answer as best as I can in this video, just based on my personal experience. Obviously, I'm not making any claims about your income or what you can generate, but I am just going to show you what I'm able to do. I'm currently in the Fargo, North Dakota market. That's where I'm delivering, and I will be delivering in about an hour, 45 minutes from now. Not an hour and 45 minutes, about 45 minutes from now. I will start my very first delivery and take you guys along on that and just kind of see how it goes. So I'll see you guys in a few minutes. What's up, guys? I'm back, walking out to my car now, getting ready for my GrubHub delivery shift. Sorry if it's a little loud in the background. Got my GrubHub bags going in there. Car. I'm just throwing them in there. My decals and stuff are in there too. However, I don't know if I'm going to put the decals on my car right now because I drive for several other delivery companies, and you know, it might get a little confusing. Well, who knows? Maybe GrubHub becomes one of the best companies to deliver for, and then I just keep delivering and I put their decal on my car. We'll see. Got my cup of coffee because, you know, coffee at work is always nice. Got a little snack because you might get hungry while you're delivering. And yeah, getting ready for my shift here. Let me pull out my phone and take a look. So I have about 6 minutes left until my shift starts. I'm trying to see how this works. It's always nice getting to know new apps, right? View profile. Okay, so I'm now under the task screen. Here, I'll flip the camera around and show you guys kind of what's going on here. Sorry for the up close there. I can't flip the camera around. This is weird. I'll have to pause, stop this recording, and re-record the other way. So, here we are in the app, and you can see I'm under tasks. It's 10:55. I have 5 minutes left. No task history. Scroll up, it says ready to deliver. Anyways, when I'm ready to deliver in 5 minutes, I'm going to hit the unavailable tab here, and then I'll just have to slide it over to taking offers, and we'll see how it goes from there. So yeah, I'm 5 minutes out, and I will keep you guys posted. Alright guys, so I'm about 2 minutes out, more like 1 minute now. I'm getting ready to sign in. One thing you always want to remember when you are out delivering is to bring a charger. because your phone can die very quickly when you're using it consistently. My phone is just a terrible phone, so it has to stay charging almost all the time. It lasts for a little bit, but I like to keep it plugged in, keep it charged up. I have a little jimmy rig thing here where my phone is connected to my tripod, which is in the corner, leaning in the corner, and charging as well, so that I can record while doing this. I am going to stay safe. I got my seatbelt on, and I'm not going to be facing you guys while I'm driving, so if I'm looking forward, you'll know why. I'm just going to take you guys along here, and I'm going to go ahead and sign in. It's 10:59, and my shift starts at 11, so I'm going to slide it over to taking offers. Now you can see, taking offers. It's backwards for you, but... And as of right now, I have no clue what I'm supposed to do. Oh, I just got a little notification saying connecting. And now it says currently clocked in, looking for offers. So I'm looking for offers. And when you scroll down on the app, it shows you the hotspots for Monday. I don't know if you can see, there's a little red dot up in there. And let me scroll in here and see where that's at. Looks like that's in the close to the mall is where that hotspot is. So I'm going to go ahead and drive over there and see what we can pick up. A lot of times with delivery companies that work like this, a lot of times you actually have to start driving for them to actually send you an order, so they know you're not just stationary at your home, because if you are, they're less likely to give you an order. Hey guys, so it's 11:07 now, and I am kind of sitting in their hotspot now. I don't know if you can see the blue dot in there, that's me. Sitting in their hotspot, and didn't get any orders on the way down, which a lot of times when you start driving, they'll give you an order, but I don't know about GrubHub because this is my first time driving for GrubHub. But we're sitting in a Mexican restaurant right now, which is in their hotspot zone, and we're just going to sit here and see what happens. I have a shift from 11 to 1, which is basically right over the lunch hour, so people should be ordering. I don't know how many people here know about GrubHub. I know it's newer to the Fargo area, but usually people find out about these things because they offer discounts or something if you try them out. So we're just going to sit here and wait. I don't know how I'll be notified of a new order. I know a lot of times other apps I use, they give you some sort of a notification with a unique sound. So far I'm in the dark. I don't have a clue, but we'll see. And I'll keep you guys updated. Another thing, forgot to mention, be sure to track your miles. I personally like to just track it right on my car. There are apps out there, I've used them, but I find it's just a lot simpler to track it on your car and take a picture of it. I personally wasn't able to use my miles for, thought it was an order, but it's just a notification on my phone. I wasn't able to use my mileage for any tax deductions or anything, but it's just good to keep track of that, just to see how much miles you're putting on your car, and to kind of see how gas mileage is and how much money you're spending on gas per delivery. And I like to kind of see how many miles I traveled to get that delivery done. It just kind of helps you gauge how much money you're actually making. And that is one of the downsides to a lot of delivery, is it doesn't cover the cost of expense of gas or your car, maintenance to your car. So that's one thing that you really have to weigh out. Is your car worth driving? If you have a newer car or something, it might not be worth driving for these delivery companies if you're going to be putting a lot of usage on it. Anyways, it's 11:10 now, sitting here waiting on an order. So I will update you guys if I get an order. Guys, it's 11:30 and I still haven't got an order. I am restarting my phone because it was having some issues. But no order. 30 minutes sitting here. I think I'm going to go see my wife on her lunch break because she's not too far from here. And we'll see if I get an order in that time. Hey guys, so I just had lunch with my wife and no order came in while I was at lunch. I'm a little outside of the delivery hotspot that they said, but really, it's so tiny. And I checked on some of the other delivery apps, and like they're showing that they're kind of active and they have bigger hotspots. So I don't understand why GrubHub has such small hotspots. I'm heading home now. I just got a text message from Bite Squad, actually, another delivery company I deliver for, and they're asking for 3 people to drive for the lunch shift, which means they're probably low on workers, and they hopefully, Bite Squad generally has orders if they send out a request. So I'm possibly just gonna respond to their request and drive for Bite Squad right now, because of the fact that I don't have any orders coming in and I need to make some dough. So I want to see about that. For Bite Squad, you do have to get dressed in their gear, so I have to head home anyways. But we'll see. If I get an order from GrubHub on the way, I'll let you guys know. Okay guys, so I'm back at the house and still no order from GrubHub. Time is 12:05 and still haven't gotten an order in an hour and 5 minutes. And I was in communication with Bite Squad. They sent out a text asking for drivers. They said I can drive, so I'm going to be driving now for Bite Squad until about 1:30 or so. So I'm going to go get changed and make a video about Bite Squad, since I'm going to drive for them anyways. And you won't see that video now. You'll probably see it a little later. So that's why you should subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when that comes out. But as you can see, this is what sometimes happens with delivery companies. Let's see, I drove 5 miles, so not that bad. But I did sit around waiting for about an hour. But thankfully, I was able to spend half of that with my wife on her lunch break. So it all worked out in the end. But so far, GrubHub isn't looking good for deliveries. Maybe it's just a day, you never know. I'll have to try a dinner sometime, and I'll make a video the next time I go out and just let you guys know how that goes. But for now, I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more of this content, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya. Bye.